Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to fix add friend not showing on Facebook. Did someone want to send you a friend request but couldn't because the add friend button was not available to them? Or did you want to send someone a friend request but couldn't? If so, the most likely culprit is privacy settings. Facebook users have control over many aspects of their privacy settings, including who can send friend requests. Let's find out how to fix it so you can receive friend requests. Go to your Facebook profile and click on the drop-down menu in the upper right-hand corner. From here, select Settings and Privacy. Then, select Settings. This will open our settings page where we have control over much of our experience on Facebook. On the left-hand side, you'll see a list of options. Find Privacy and click on it. Next, we want to find the section labeled How People Find and Contact You. This is where we can choose who can send us friend requests. Click on the Edit button to the right of Who can send you friend requests. In this window, you'll see a drop-down menu. If you click on that, you'll have two options, Friends of Friends and Everyone. Friends of Friends means you have a mutual friend on Facebook, and because you're friends, they can then send you a friend request. If someone can't add you as a friend because it isn't available, then it's likely that you need to set this option to Everyone so they can add you. If you can't add someone as a friend, then it means they would need to do the same. And that is how to fix add friend not showing on Facebook. If this was helpful, click the like and subscribe buttons. We have more helpful quick tech how-to videos coming your way.